Superagent is a vertical AI agent. It helps teams of realtors closing more deals faster at cheaper cost. Let me show you how it works. As a real estate developer or property broker, with Superagent account, you can create multiple AI agents. Those agents are already pre-trained to behave like the best realtors you can find. In a few simple steps, you can give them additional instructions, how to behave, what they should know about your company, how they should communicate with your customers, and so on. And because Superagent is industry-specific solution, it is as good as information it works with. We created a separate AI agent responsible for this. Simply take a property URL, your website, your landing page, and that's it. This is how it looks in a few minutes after property information is onboarded. Images with full context, all the property features, location, unique selling points, payment information, everything is here. And because Superagent is multi-channel solution, in a few simple clicks, it could be integrated with any channel and engage with my leads instantly. Let me show you an example. Today, I want to launch ads and get more leads for my project. Here how it goes. I'm a regular customer browsing my feed, watching YC videos, and then, what's that? Looks interesting. I like this project. I want to have a chat with them. I send them a message, and then, wow, someone is online, so they're typing me back. Now, I'm going to pretend like I'm an interested customer. I'll have a chat and give you a quick overview in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I just had a lovely chat. I got all the information I needed and ended up booking an appointment for next Saturday in the morning. Let me show you how it went. Here, everything starts from the context awareness. Superagent already knows that I'm going to talk about the momentum Phuket. That means the whole conversation should be about this project. It greets me and then it tries to find out what drives my interest, because that's what determines the whole conversation. Good realtors know this very well. Superagent does know this too. Once it learned that I'm looking for investment, it presents me how this particular project and this location is very attractive for investors who are looking for high returns. After learning that my budget is a very good fit for this project, it tries to understand my timeline. So it's asking me how soon I'm looking to invest. It shares a bit more details with the brochure. Superagent works with any types of attachments. When asked about payment schedule, it explains it to me. It knows the completion date, the whole conversation based on the inventory that realtors connected through the onboarding process. So it never hallucinates. It's never making up stuff. It gives me more excitement to see these beautiful photos. It proposes me to schedule a visit for the next Saturday. I said that morning would be fine. And then Superagent helped me to book an appointment. It's trained to behave like a team member. So it's very motivated to book you more appointments, arrange more calls for your team, and so on. Also, Superagent understands voice messages. Here I said, thank you very much. I got everything I need. See you next Saturday. And it's fully aware of the context of what I mentioned. Now, let's see what happens after this conversation ended. Here in Lead Box, I can see all conversations that Superagent had with my customers. I even can see a full chat log if I need. After each engagement, Superagent carefully summarizes all prospects. Here we can see that I was interested in the project for investment purposes, specifically looking for this particular condo. I have a budget of 200,000 USD and planning to invest in the property soon. I also scheduled a visit to the sales office for the next Saturday at 10 o'clock. Also, we can see that my lead has a very high score of 90. We created a proprietary lead scoring algorithm, which tells realtors how likely each prospect will move forward with their buying journey. And of course, after each engagement, Superagent sends real-time notifications to its team members with the key updates and key summaries, like you see on the screen. Because of our enterprise-ready APIs, Superagent could be integrated with any third-party software. Here's an example of Superagent integrated with the CRM, where the chat I just had is added in real time with all key information such as score, summary, contact details, and full chat log. Sales team love it. Superagent is not an automation tool. It's a true partner that is very intelligent and drives business forward for the team it works for. We are getting so much positive feedback from our early customers. They report 2x improvement in the first contact rate. That means twice more leads going through their funnel. And also we improve inquiry to appointment by 30-35%. It feels like magic to realtors. But we know it's not magic. We believe that current LLMs are much more capable. It's just application layer is what's limiting them. There are no right guardrails, no context, no UX, no use cases built around industry-specific topics. We are building real estate-specific vertical AI agent. Superagent will change the way real estate is sold and bought. And this is only beginning.